Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are back with another Beautycounter video, and this video is in collaboration with Beautycounter. They recently have repackaged and extended the shade range of one of my personal favorites. This is Beautycounter Dew Skin, and now they have this new awesome packaging as well as 8 shades in the Dew Skin. And so what I thought we would do is a fun get ready with me, creating an effortless, flawless look with minimal products. I'm going to be using 6 of their products today. They have a Flawless in 5 kit, and I added one extra favorite for the eyes. And I wanted to say a quick thank you to Beautycounter for sponsoring this video. I love all these products, so this is a fun video to create. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this super easy look using Dew Skin and a few more goodies from Beautycounter, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I am so excited to do a full face of Beautycounter products today, and I have been a longtime fan of Beautycounter Dew Skin, and they have recently repackaged the Dew Skin as well as expanded the shade range, which is awesome. So today I'm going to show you shades number 2 and number 3, as well as a picture of the expanded shade range. The reason I've always loved this Dew Skin from Beautycounter is because it's going to give your skin a really nice dewy finish. It makes your skin look so healthy. Every time I wear this, I literally get compliments on my skin. This is going to be a sheer formula. And when I first tried this out, I was like, oh my gosh, it doesn't have enough coverage. But it actually does this sort of magical blurring on the skin. So yes, this is sheer coverage, but it also has an SPF of 20. You can kind of think of this as a really nice bonus product that is going to protect your skin with SPF, and then this does include some really key ingredients that are great for your skin as well. They use a non-nano zinc oxide, which is a physical mineral sun protection technology that works by reflecting UV rays. It includes black currant seed oil and peony root extract, which is going to help even out the skin tone and enhance radiance. It includes vitamin C that's going to help brighten and even the skin tone, and includes organic Madagascar bourbon vanilla, which is going to add a subtle yet sophisticated fragrance. Now, I previously had it in the shade Light, and that is described as light with golden undertones, and that is now categorized as number 3. So I typically pick foundations with neutral to cool undertones, but in the Beautycounter world, they have a lot of gold and neutral undertones, but they still work with my skin tone. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you these two swatched side by side. This is the old version in Light, and then this is the new version, and this is now called number 3. Now I also requested to get number 2, and this is fair with neutral undertones. So I'm going to give you a swatch of that because I thought I might be able to mix the two together in order to create the perfect shade. So this is the shade number 2, fair with neutral undertones. Then we have the new shade number 3, which used to be Light, which is going to be light with golden undertones, and then this is the old version that I was matched in. Now these do appear a little bit lighter when you first put them on the skin, and that is due to the SPF, but then I do find that they will deepen up just a bit. So I'm just going to swatch the number 2 along with the number 3 for you. So over here you will see shade number 2 as well as shade number 3. And although when I first swatched shade number 2, I thought it appeared a little light, it actually blended in very nicely on the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and use that shade today. And again, I can also mix in a little bit of the number 3 if we feel like it is too light. And the way that I like to apply the Dew Skin, it's got a nice kind of creamy texture to it. So I like to just kind of use my fingertips to start because it just kind of blends in seamlessly to the skin. And then I can use a beauty blender to really make sure it is patted in, but honestly, fingertips work great with this product. Can you see how it's already giving me a nice little dew on the skin? Okay, this is what this Dew Skin looks like. And because the formula is so sheer, I feel like I can get away with using number 2 and number 3, especially as I get a little tan in the summer. I think that number 3 is going to be perfect. I'm going to show you these two mixed together on my hand. We may apply some onto my skin as well, because this will kind of bridge the gap right here. So this is number 2 and 3 mixed together, and now you've seen number 2 all together, and I will just go ahead and add a little bit of this combination. I feel like that ends up working great as well, and this is what I love about this Dew Skin, is that it is so sheer that you can build it up if you want without looking cakey. Okay guys, my skin feels super plump, a little bit dewy, and now what we're going to do is we're going to let this sink into the skin while we do a quick and easy makeup look using all Beautycounter products today. And I'm going to start with brows, and I'm using the Beautycounter brow pencil. I have this one in light, so although I have darker brows, I have blonde hair, so I often will use a taupe or a light brown eye pencil to define my eyebrows. And I'm just going to go through here and focus on the tail end. That's where I tend to be a little bit lighter. You guys know I'm not the best at brows, but I generally just fill in the side and then we'll brush them through. Okay, we have framed the face. Next, we're going to create sort of a fresh, simple eye look. And I'm going to be using one of the Beautycounter. This is the Lid Glow Cream Shadow, and this one is in Twinkle. This is going to be your perfect silvery taupe shade, and here is a swatch of Twinkle. You guys know I love a beautiful little shimmery silver taupe on the eyes. So I'm going to place a little bit of this cream shadow on my eyes here. We love those one and done eye looks. Isn't that pretty? I love this little wash of color on the eyes, guys. And then once it dries down, it is going to stay in place all day. I'm going to run a little bit of that underneath my lash line as well. These Lid Glow Cream shadows deliver glowy, buildable color. The instantly illuminating shades are made to glow how you want to, easily going from a sheer wash of color to a seriously smoky look, in hues that complement a variety of skin tones. The bonus is that these are weightless, crease-free, and infused with safer, soothing ingredients designed to care for the eyelids. These have cooling cucumber and calming chamomile that are going to help soothe and hydrate, while coconut oil and shea butter nourish delicate eyelids. Okay, little definition on the eyes, and then I'm so excited to try the Beautycounter. This is Think Big all-in-one mascara, and I have heard this is an amazing clean mascara. So number one, I do have to tell you I love the brush on this mascara and the handle. So I do find it funny. I think the brush makes a big deal because when you are putting on your mascara, it really helps to have control of the wand. So this is nice and weighty and feels good. And this mascara says it's going to do it all. It's going to lift, lengthen, and volumize my lashes. And we're going to go ahead and put this mascara on. I like to start at the base and then wiggle it through. Oh, I like it already, guys. I can tell that this is going to be a good mascara. This is a clean and effective mascara. The Carbon Black-Free formula delivers bold color and instant volume, lift, and fullness. It also includes lash care conditioners. Tripeptide technology strengthens for stronger, longer, and fuller looking lashes. It also has precise, effortless application. The soft molded brush dispenses the perfect amount of formula and defines each lash from root to tip with ease. Wow, can you see that? This is doing it all, and I love the fact that I can continue to kind of build this up and it's not clumping. So you can get a nice natural lash, or you can make this a bit more dramatic. And I am loving this mascara. Okay, one eye so much more lifted than the other. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I swear this is like one of the best clean mascaras I've ever used. I feel like my lashes are very full, they are lifted. I feel like this mascara lives up to its claims, and since it's got that tripeptide technology in here with ingredients that are going to help my lashes grow, I think I may have just found a new favorite mascara. And I often don't show you guys myself putting on mascara because I tend to spend some time really working on my lashes, and of course when you're putting on mascara you tend to kind of make weird faces, but ultimately I think you'd get a little bit bored of seeing me go through a minute or two of really coating my lashes, because I just feel like I'm not complete until I have my eyeballs on, and I'm someone who needs that mascara. So this is definitely a new favorite from Beautycounter. Then we're going to finish off this quick and easy fresh face look with a cream blush and lip gloss. So I have the Cheeky Clean Cream Blush. I love the packaging of this, and I have it in the shade Chai. which looks so pretty. So this is the color right here. And chai is described as your perfect dusty rose color. You can go with a sheer flush or build to a bold pop of color thanks to lush pigments and skin-loving ingredients like squalene that give you a dewy, smooth finish. The Chic Compact is refillable and made from PCR plastic. This comes in 8 buildable shades that can be used on cheeks and lips, and they blend seamlessly for effortlessly natural color. The key ingredients in here are squalene, which is going to provide a silky smooth, luxurious texture without a greasy or heavy feel. It has jojoba esters, which are derived from the jojoba oil plant to help moisturize, soothe, and soften with a lightweight feel, and also jojoba ester treated pigments that deliver creamy texture for blendable, ultra smooth application and even coverage. Just adding a little bit of that chai up into my eye look just to tie everything together. And you can even use these on your lips. I'll go ahead and dab a little bit of this onto my lips. Okay, I love this color. I feel like it just sort of livened up my complexion. And then we're going to finish off this look with the Beautycounter lip glosses. Now, if you have never tried their lip glosses, these are one of the best, and I have always loved their lip glosses. These are called the Beyond Gloss, and I have this in the shade Dahlia, which is this such a pretty, cool pink tone. So I'm going to take off the blush so you can see this just on its own, but I like the way this turned out for a quick and easy natural look. And then we're going to do a little pop of spring color with the gloss. This gloss delivers high impact shine and conditioning lip benefits while taking transparency to the next level with ingredients that care for your lips and the greater good. This is formulated with a blend of waxes to lock in moisture with no stickiness. This gloss delivers cushiony color and a sophisticated scent thanks to responsibly sourced vanilla. And this is the shade Dahlia. I love this lipstick. I love this color, and I feel like it just brightened up my complexion. This is not goopy. It feels very moisturizing on the lips, and these actually wear very well for a lip gloss. Okay guys, this is my final look using essentially one product more than their Flawless in 5 effortless makeup look. There is a little set that you can buy on their website that includes 5 products, and it is going to be exactly what we use today. Sans the Lid Glow Cream Shadow. So in that set, you get to pick from either the Dew Skin or the Twin Skin. This one's going to give you a bit more coverage. You saw me do a video on that last month. And this is the new packaging of the Dew Skin. Longtime love of this product, and now they have repackaged it as well as expanded the shade range, which is fabulous. It also includes the eyebrow pencil, the Think Big all-in-one mascara, as well as the cream blush, and then a Beyond Gloss. And it will help you pick out your colors. Once you pick out your shade for your skin, it will also recommend shades that will be complementary with your skin tone, or you can have fun and just pick your own colors. But I love that Flawless in 5 set, and that is $144 for all of those products.